For the past 3 years, I've had the honor of speaking at a private preschool in Casa Grande, Arizona. Every year, I shared the rich history and vibrant traditions of Jewish holidays with the children.
I'm not going to even use all the buildings. I just want them to work hard. Work harder, work harder. So hard. How could I work? One day, they wake up. Big, giant.
No. Palace? Not a snake, not a palace. Frog? Palace?
Frog. And that frog comes. And our king, my son, he will be the king for now. He came in and he sat down on the chair. And he will be Mashka. And Mashka gave some wine for the king to drink. And the king drinks the wine. Oh, delicious wine. But he had a question for Mashka. Mashka, how is the hotel doing? Are we making a lot of money? We want to make money. And Mashka said, yeah, but thank God. God is giving us all the money. What? The king didn't understand. Who's giving you the money? Me? God? I am the one giving you the money. I allow you to work here. And you're saying God is giving you the money?
It's truly heartwarming to see a school embrace diversity and promote understanding among different cultures. These moments of sharing and learning help build a foundation of respect and peace from an early age.
But he was a monkey. And a monkey didn't understand what's really happening. And he saw that the king is putting in money in his mouth. And he becomes happier and happier and happier. So if you eat money, you become happy. And that monkey was sitting quietly, waiting for the king to finish. And when the king went out of the room, he started to do the same. He ate all the money. Do I have to tell you what happened next? And the monkey died. Cold house. And suddenly the window cracked. And it flew in a monkey. And the kids looked down and they screamed, "What's going on? A monkey in our house! A monkey! A monkey!" And the monster came closer and he saw money falling out of this monkey. A monkey with money looked into the window. Huh? Light? What? They didn't have enough money for candles to light up and make to brighten the house. Food? How? Who gave them the food? The kids are happy. Oh boy. I wanted to be angry and sad. He couldn't understand it. He decided to knock on the door. Mashka, I have a question for you. And the king came in. But then when you throw me out, God still sent me money. But in a different way. A funny way.
As you watch these snippets and photos, you'll see glimpses of our interactive sessions filled with curiosity, joy, and mutual respect. This initiative by the school is a beautiful example of how we can all learn from each other and grow together, appreciating our differences and finding common ground.